Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to disconnect your speaker SOUNDCORE Motion 300 from your iPhone. You have to start by open settings and then go to the Bluetooth. Now click the information icon near to your speaker at the device list. And right here at the third line we have a button with called Disconnect, and we need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I will tell you the difference between Disconnect and Unpair. So when you select to disconnect your speaker and you click at this button, it will stop Bluetooth connection with your speaker, but leave it at the device list. And if you select to unpair it, it will totally remove your speaker from your phone. Now let me click on it, and as you can see, we have no more connection with this speaker, but still I have it at the device list, and if I want to, I can just tap on it and reconnect the speaker, of course if the speaker is turned on. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!